As you've read the title, these cookies will be the chewiest, crispiest cookies you've had so far. These cookies will satisfy the pickiest of eaters. Even if you don't like chocolate, you'll love these. Since everyone is home during lockdown, many people can't go out to get some chocolate chip cookies, so I've got your back. When you're bored and don't have much to do, just whip up a batch, stick them in the oven, and voila! You have amazing cookies to share with your family. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Starting now.